Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure basic requirements are ready. Charge the controller, power it on, and have Bluetooth on your phone. Press and hold the Xbox button to wake the controller so it's discoverable. Once done, open your phone's Bluetooth menu and keep the settings screen visible. Some phones stop scanning in the background, and that can interrupt pairing. Make sure firmware and OS are reasonably up to date so compatibility issues don't block the connection. Now put the controller into pairing mode by pressing and holding the small pairing button on the top until the Xbox logo flashes rapidly. That flashing means it's advertising via Bluetooth. Next, watch your phone's Bluetooth list and tap the entry labeled Xbox Wireless Controller when it appears. You may see a confirmation dialog, accept it, and grant any permission requests for input or controller access. If the name doesn't show, toggle Bluetooth off and on, then rescan so the phone rediscovers the device. Once paired, verify buttons and sticks by launching a game or a controller tester app. You should see immediate, low-latency inputs. If you notice lag, dropped buttons, or the controller disconnects, make sure other Bluetooth devices aren't interfering. Then unpair and pair again or reboot the phone. For stubborn problems, connect by USB-C cable to the phone if supported. That bypasses Bluetooth and confirms the controller hardware is fine. If pairing still fails,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.